mpanyinfo kan ya omo ase ekuro do so a yentena faako enye no nguase me ka ma na besi sei broni bi a mekohia no me ne didi nkoma no say can I ask you where you from? I'm say yeah. Where are you from? You have a very cute accent. Where are you from? And I'm saying I'm from Ghana. I said Ghana, Gold Coast, Ghana. Me say yeah. You know Ghana? Ghana is like my second home. Don't tell me you're from Asante. And I'm saying I'm from Ashanti. I'm an Ashanti. I say, oh, you are my sister. After no my head and I heard and me say, oh, really? I say, yes, my godmother is an Ashanti. I've been to Kumasi before. I've been to Manshia. Did you see my king? I say, unfortunately, that time we went, he wasn't around. We couldn't meet him. But I've heard so much about Asante Hene. I'm say, what man was here gume. What man was here gume obi maso. What's a Asante Hene what's them? Yes, your king, the kingdom is huge. Asante is such a very beautiful place. And I'm saying, thank you. In fact, you've really made my day. I say, yeah, I'm planning to go there next year. And I'm saying, let me know. Next year, I'll plan and I'll go with you. Wow. You need to change numbers. What's the name of me? Also, also, ya Santini, Brony, so ya Santini. What's the name of me? Me so much Janatun. My Jen number me be craft friend. I can say onua because also mention it tree. Also, me be friend I can say onua. It is say, che. So wo ye Ghana ni ana wo ye